Welcome to our video about the Big 5 Lean tools, explained by the Lean partners. Lean tools are a common way to control processes and increase their efficiency. But how can these tools be applied in full, and how do they work together? 5 key Lean tools have been established in the last 30 years of Lean production. These tools are the basis of every Lean system. The so-called Big 5 are 5S, TPM, SFM, Problem Solving and VSM. Let's start by looking at 5S. 5S is a method that helps us make shop floor activities leaner. It was developed in Japan to support the just-in-time manufacturing. 5S stands for sort, set in order, shine, standardize and sustain. This method helps us to manage the working environment as well as keep it clean, tidy and structured with everything in its place. 5S helps us to minimize waste and maximize efficiency. TPM stands for Total Productive Management. It is a lean manufacturing philosophy that focuses on achieving near-perfect production. TPM aims to eliminate breakdowns, small stops or slow running, defects and accidents. TPM is a tool that is applied to the technical equipment. It focuses on maintaining machines and devices on a regular basis so that a high level of long-term reliability can be achieved. SFM stands for Shop Floor Management. It is a way of developing and managing the shop floor operations with a special focus on the employees. SFM aims to establish a continuous improvement culture and improve cooperation between shop floor employees and company management. SFM is a tool that is used in the context of everyday business. It helps us to manage employees and processes as well as to manufacture products efficiently. The problem-solving process itself is a very important element of lean management and the lean mindset. The way we solve problems affects the efficiency of production. In general, it's important to establish a problem-solving culture so that the employees feel responsible for the process and are highly motivated to identify and solve problems independently. We use problem-solving when problems occur suddenly. This Lean tool is used to find a quick solution to breakdowns or defects. VSM stands for Value Stream Mapping or Value Stream Design. It involves the visualization of a value stream process within the company. The aim is to identify and eliminate activities that do not add value in order to design a more efficient company process. We use VSM in order to design an efficient production flow, which includes raw material, data and information. These 5 Lean tools can be implemented and established using the PDCA management method. It is an iterative method that is used for the continuous improvement of processes. The PDCA method consists of 4 separate steps. The first is plan. In this step, each Lean tool is dealt with separately. The next step, do, involve the visualization and documentation of implemented measures so that we can evaluate them clearly in the next step, check. The last step, act, is about reflecting and learning if the outcome of the implemented measure is negative or about standardizing if the outcome of the measure is positive. This concludes our brief introduction to the Big 5 Lean tools. We hope you liked it. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like or hit subscribe if you want to access more of our content.